Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your phone and PC. Plug a data-capable USB cable into the phone and the computer. Make sure the phone is unlocked. On the phone, enable mobile data so a carrier connection is available. Once done, open Settings and locate the Tethering or Hotspot section. This is often under Connections or Network. Make sure phone Wi-Fi is off to avoid routing issues, and make a note of any carrier warnings or limits before you enable USB tethering. Now enable USB tethering on the phone so the PC can use the mobile link. You go to Settings, Tethering or Portable Hotspot, then turn on USB tethering. The phone will advertise a network interface. On the PC, allow any driver or permission prompts. Windows or Mac OS may install a network adapter automatically. Once the adapter appears, make sure the PC's primary network is set to that adapter. If you need to, set the connection as metered on Windows to avoid large downloads. Finish by confirming the PC has internet access. Open a browser and load a simple site or run a ping to check latency. If it fails, make sure the cable and port are good. Try another USB port or a known data cable and toggle USB tethering off and on. Once done, restart both devices if drivers seem stuck, and reinstall the PC's network drivers only if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: if the phone shows connected but no data, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset the radio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.